Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. This is Drew with Drew's Garage, and we just got in this beautiful C8 Z51. We are going to be doing some mods. We're going to be doing the wheels, exhaust, air intake. So listen, stay tuned for some updates on this vehicle. Please hit that subscribe button and follow. So today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your user profile and customize your vehicle. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's see if we can't walk through setting this up here. So we are connecting to the network. That way we can do any downloads, any updates we need. Best to do this when you get a new vehicle. That way you can make sure everything is up to date. Now we are going to log into our account. Go here to users, sign in. So we are signed in, and we can view our settings. Now here we're going to connect the My Chevy app. We also have the app downloaded on our phone. So you can see here, and then we can check the vehicle, get vehicle status. Really nice. So definitely recommend downloading the app. It's My Chevrolet, and you can connect right to your Corvette. You can do remote start, vehicle unlock, check status. So definitely check that out, and we'll check out some more stuff. So for this tutorial, we're going to go over how you set your key up into your profile. So once we create our profile and we connect it to the vehicle, you go into the edit setting. Here you'll see your vehicle, your profile, picture you can change here. They don't have too many varieties, but then you have your security. Now we want to add the key to this vehicle. So here you could select which key you want to use for your profile. So this is nice when you've got two different drivers and they have two different profiles. So when I get into the vehicle, everything will go back to my setting when the key number 1 enters the car. So all my radio stations, map locations, those sort of things will automatically save to it. Then you can create a PIN here if you want to. So, so I suggest go through the settings. You can definitely find some nice features with the new Corvette C8. So now our profile is in, we are good to go. My audio, so now when I go here, we should have, we have our stuff that's saved from the previous car. And now we need to call OnStar. We need to connect, and by doing that, you just have to hit the OnStar button. And if you have an account set up, it will automatically connect to this vehicle. Thanks for watching. Listen, we're going to be doing some more tutorials. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.